Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this bed frame, but let's go and get right into this. So I just dumped everything out. You can see it looks like it's going to be really easy to put together. Let me go ahead and cut off these. Okay, so I just took everything off and it looks like all you're going to have to do is open it up, which is awesome. It's easy enough. And then it has, looks like it may have some screws that it's going to go into. So open it up and you can see that these are going to fit right here. I think that's what it says. Let me make sure. Yeah, so all you're going to do is undo this a little bit to where this can slide right in here. And then you're just going to tighten it up. That's how easy it is to install. Okay. Now let me go ahead and do this one. So now let's go ahead and face these the way that we're going to be laying them. Let's see what to do next. So you're going to have everything you need to put this part together right here. So let me go ahead and open this up. So now you're just going to get this and you're going to put this together like so. And then just screw it on and just tighten it. And that's what's going to keep everything together. So, let me go ahead and get this. And just tighten it up. So just like that, and we're going to do the same thing over here. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when it's all put up. You don't need a box spring or anything. It's all just perfect the way it is. You just need a mattress and you're good to go. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.